GE water softener error code 1. I push mode and hold and get code P45. I know water has gotten into the mechanical area and have dried everything out. After P45 code shows for a while, error code 1 comes back on. Any thoughts? I have not heard anything yet.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you today. Sorry to hear you are having a problem with your water softener. The error 1 is with the micro switch or wiring. Have you had a chance to check out the micro switch? It is the position control for the valve, and it has to provide the circuit for the controller to know where it is located from the switch.
I don't understand what the micro switch is and where it is located.
It should be near your control board, but if you can get me the model number, I can pull up a diagram for your particular unit for you.
Model no. GNSH45E. Is this the same thing as the position switch located on top of and engaging the motor gear? I looked at this and the wiring is intact. How can I tell if this needs to be replaced? As mentioned above, there is a code P45 when I hold the mode button, if that helps. I now understand the code P45 is the correct setting for this model.
http://www.softwarepart.com/switch_7305150_P/7305150.htm. This is what the switch looks like, and yes, P45 is supposed to be there. Sorry about that.
Are you recommending that I replace this part? Is this the most likely problem?
Yes, you will need to replace this part.
Thanks, and thanks for making it easy to order the part online.
Absolutely. If you are satisfied with this information, all I ask is you rate with 5 stars at the top so I am credited for my time. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me.
Will do. I just replaced the switch and still get E1 error. What next?
I just want to make sure that you placed the switch in correctly. Did you put the spacer on top? Because if you put it on the bottom, it will still give that code.
What is the spacer? A separate piece.
Let's try this first. When the error 1 error code appears in your GE Smart water softeners display, there has been an electronics failure. As a result, the control settings must be reprogrammed. Pressing any key on the display will load the default settings. To change the settings, the Set button on the display's top right side must be pressed. A number will appear in the display that corresponds to the various settings. Push the up or down arrow keys to scroll through the numbers until you reach the desired setting. Once you have reached your desired setting, hit the left arrow button until the number on the right side of the display stops flashing.
These instructions do not appear to be for this model. There is a mode button to the right, up, down, and recharge buttons on the left. I have gone through and reset all of the program settings and they are correct. Still get the error 1.
If the switch does not fix this issue, then the controller is your issue. Give me just a moment to look one more time to see if anything else can be the issue. Here is error 1 info. If the valve motor doesn't run, unplug the water softener and check the valve motor wire harness for damage or a loose connection. Reconnect the valve motor wire harness if disconnected. Replace the valve motor wire harness if damaged. If the motor runs but the rotor valve doesn't move, the problem could be a defective motor or a locked up rotor valve. Replace the valve motor if defective. Replace the rotor valve if it's locked up. If the motor runs and spins the rotor valve constantly, the position switch may be defective. Replace the position switch if it doesn't detect the rotor valve position. Valve motor, wire harness, position switch, and rotary valve.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.